Hello and welcome to our video on the future of work. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most pressing issues facing the job market today: automation and AI. As these technologies continue to advance, there is a growing concern that they will eventually replace human workers altogether. But is this really the case? And if so, what does it mean for the future of work and society as a whole? First, let's look at the benefits of automation and AI. One of the main advantages is increased efficiency. Machines don't get tired, don't make mistakes, and can work 24/7. This means that businesses can produce more goods and services in less time, which can lead to increased profits and economic growth. However, there are also some drawbacks to automation and AI. One of the biggest concerns is that they will replace human workers. This could lead to widespread unemployment and a widening wealth gap, as the benefits of increased efficiency are concentrated among business owners and shareholders rather than workers. Another concern is that machines are not always reliable. They can break down, require maintenance, or be hacked by cybercriminals. This can lead to costly downtime and lost productivity, which can cancel out the benefits of increased efficiency. So, what does all this mean for the future of work? Well, it's clear that automation and AI are already transforming the job market. Many routine jobs, such as data entry or factory assembly, have already been automated, and more are likely to follow. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that robots will replace all human workers. There are still many tasks that machines are not suited for, such as creative work, social interaction, and decision-making. In fact, some experts predict that automation and AI will create new jobs and industries that we can't even imagine yet. For example, as self-driving cars become more common, there will be a need for technicians to maintain and repair them. As virtual reality and telepresence technology improves, there will be new opportunities for remote work and collaboration. However, there is no denying that the job market is likely to become more competitive and volatile in the years to come. Workers will need to adapt to new technologies and learn new skills in order to stay employable. Governments and businesses will need to invest in education and training programs to help workers make this transition. In conclusion, the future of work is uncertain, but one thing is clear: automation and AI will continue to transform the job market in ways that we can't fully predict. We need to be proactive in preparing for these changes and ensuring that the benefits of increased efficiency are shared equitably among all members of society. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.